Hi, I'm Shannon, and my workshop, Knowing Our Bias to Know the All, is about getting a better understanding of conscious or subconscious ways of thinking about everything, the all, as we explore spiritual practices, attempting to know that divine source, the essence better. Surely there are parts of our mental frameworks that block us from really truly experiencing the all. And so in this workshop, I offer a few of my personal practices, an invitation for people to join to close in our body, mind, and spirit to that essence, to get a sense of divinity in the room and within ourselves, and then use reflective prompts for people to explore what's included in their emotional and cognitive experience and embodied experience, and what is excluded or what they may not realize is part of their framework. Many of us may have studied diversity, equity, inclusion on an intellectual level and have even taken implicit bias tests or know that we're predisposed through cultural training toward liking or not liking on very subtle levels certain demographics in our community. And I wonder how many of us have looked at how that affects our experience of divinity. Perhaps we seek the essence as a form of emptiness, nothingness, pure light, pure bliss, something that is beyond characteristics that humanity has divided ourselves by throughout millennia. And yet, I'm curious to know how those cultural limitations do show up still in our psyches and our embodied experiences. So, my workshop will go through three different forms of embodied practice: chanting, dancing, and nature connection. And then I'll offer some prompts for people to reflect on their experience. I'm not exactly certain which prompts I'll give. Part of it is from practice, and part of it is intuitive in the moment. And also, still exploring specifically what practices will do. But I wrote the description based on what I'm feeling inspired in this moment and what I'm envisioning at this moment. And I look forward to hearing if you have any questions about my workshop.